In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change batteries in your Samsung Smart TV remote. So here is my remote. This is very simple, but if you haven't opened it, you may be struggling with it and you may be really confused because you can't pick it open or anything like that. So you've got two sides to the remote. You've got the side which points to the TV that you zap the TV with, and then you've got the bottom here with the Samsung logo. So what you want to do, you've got the bottom here with the Samsung logo. Just go ahead and flip it around so the Samsung logo is pointing up. With the Samsung logo pointing up, all you simply need to do, you may see this on your remote, there's like a pointing arrow up. So with the Samsung logo pointing up, you just want to hold your thumb, and you have to have a tight grip here, and then just push up. So push up, and that will separate the back from the body of the remote, and it will come off. Again, Samsung logo pointing up, push up, and then the back will come off, and then you can go ahead and replace the batteries. That's how you do it.